Good morning, honorable jury members and my friends. Our goal is to one team, one vision, one mission. We all know the 21st century is the century of scientific and technology and development. In the last decade, the entire world developed tremendous using ICT. As a district team, our goal is to deliver quick and transparent services to citizens using latest ICT tools. Methodology for good governance are e-governance and vibrant governance. SWOT analysis of the district resources, and then we planning for optimum use of resources through ICT tools. Resources of digital service are found out. The sector where we can use it and which tools we can use it. Various government schemes and programs are implemented through e-governance ICT tools. With the cooperation, coordination of various departments of the district, we have successfully implemented the government flagship and poverty elevation program. Using ICT tools like internet, mobile, GSWAN and innovative and creative ideas, the broad transparency and quick delivery of the service in various schemes and programs of the district administration. Implemented ICT project in the district. One of the resurvey project in the district, bar project, ration card project, Jan Seva Kendra means activity Apno Taluko, Vibrant Taluko. Central registry application, E-Dara project, letter room computerization, E-Committee, district committee monitoring system. These are the main projects we have already implemented. The main project with distinctive feature of the resurvey, the old tradition thing, old conventional methodology survey, old survey instrument like chain survey, plain table survey, etc. Part 2 old based survey, no information notice to farmer, no public-private partnership model, no online record preparation and the promulgation. New method which is used through ICT tools, read before 6 by 6 kilometer primary, then 4 by 4 kilometer secondary and 1 by 1 kilometer tertiary. Survey by latest instrument like DGPS and ETS. Survey was whole to part based principle. Notice survey to landholders, transparency in work, data process, online by agency as well as government machinery. Accuracy level in measurement is high up to 50 centimeters. Single document, village form number 7 with tax and parcel map, people's participation in the process, steps involved in the survey activity, necessary sanction from government, formation for the survey committee for the district, monumentation of the ground control network, then Gram Sabha, detailed ground survey activity, then after survey distribution of LMD to landholders, redressal of the objection in presence of the government surveyor and landholder, processing of survey data, preparation of vital and textual records, promulgation of records by revenue officer, certification of the record by the sub-regional manager. This is the pilot project introduced in the Patan district in all the state. Benefits of the resurvey project. Patan district, the pilot district taken by the government of Gujarat for resurvey project. 3,59,000 and 500 farmers are benefited. Field measurement without cost in the presence of the landholder. Saving of time and money of farmers. The uniform and standardization land record. Single document like village form number 7 with map with the landholder. Hence no need to approach DLR office repeatedly. Accurate measurement of land with coordinates. Record available at E-Dara and E-Gram centers. Digital record used for development purpose of state. Record preserved and maintained in digital form. Integration of data with other government applications. Identification of government wasteland which can be used in the various development projects in the state. Farmers adopted drip sprinkler irrigation scheme to save water, energy and better productivity. Then next our project is the barcoded ration card. Barcoded ration card issued in the district. With barcoded ration card, only the actual card holder gets the supply like kerosene, sugar and food grains. Due to barcoded ration card system, diversion leakage is stopped. We are using e-trans centers for issuing PDS coupons, ration coupon to card holders. Easy to monitor public distribution system. Increase awareness in the card holders about the ration quantity and price. Advance information to people about supply allotment. Public can register their complaints online, speedy disposal of the complaint. 5035 price shops and about 3 lakh ration card holders in the district. ATVT, this is a very new concept in the state to provide a transparent and speedy various civic service to the people at taluka level. We adopted ATVT concept using ICT tools, provide more than 505 services under one umbrella single window system. People did not go to various offices for their work. At ATVT center, responsible officer receives application and collect information from various government offices, departments and respond to applicants within the time prescribed in the citizen charter. The sub-regional ministers supervise, monitor and control the whole system regularly. Need-based planning at taluka level with the help of the cluster officers. Then next, this record room computerization, classification and digital record is easily accessible in newly designed computer with help of the software application for applicants and official purpose. E-committee, district committee monitoring system is a SMS-based monitoring system to inform all members of the district level committee. Due to this, we save time and paper and support go-green concept. Either last ICT implementing mass empowerment. ICT can play a vital role to educate citizens for the fundamental rights and those the delivery of government services through e-gram and Vishwakam. There are 646 e-gram centers in the district. Our district administration takes utmost care to support e-gram center which provides ICT service like income certificate, electricity bill collection, record of rights, distribution, birth and death certificate, public grievance redressal from Gram Sabha information, PDS coupon. These are service, the basic service for the citizens we are provided by the ICT tools. Thank you, sir.
Initiative which you mentioned here seem to be state initiatives and the district seem to be unique for implementing those initiatives like the ATVT, etc. Since we are here to see what initiative was taken by the district to innovate and to put something into practice which the other districts of the state or other states could emulate. Can you please explain what is the district's initiative in the whole world?
So this project, the pilot project, initiative in the Patan district and successful implementation. Then this E-Dhalai for the Patan district. It is
and my taluka, my jurisdiction was the pilot project, Taluka Hari, which consists in Patan district. This is a unique kind of project which was taken by the government and assistance of the central government. Our district and my taluka, Hari, my jurisdiction was the pilot project. I should explain, there is time limit, but what is research? It had done before the independence. It is a unique kind of project which has not been taken so far. Of course, there is a legal requirement, there is scheduled provision that there should be a fresher every 30 years. But it was a Mamatta. So therefore it was not taken by any of the governments so far. We are the first to initiate and we have taken this project. Under this project, each and every piece of land is to be measured again, fresh survey. Normally, the charge of is is 1500 to 1500 rupees per acre. We have measured some 5,700 kilometers of land free of charge. We otherwise would have cost to 25 crore rupees. And 3.6 lakh farmers are benefited. In normal course, if I want to get my land measured, I have to go just to DILR. In normal course, I have to pay advance fee. And if I am lucky, I will get my land measured within 2 months. We have taken initiative, and with this modern techniques, yes sir, and with this modern techniques, we can measure the whole, we can measure the whole village in maximum 2 days. Yes sir, yes sir. We use the system, differential global positioning system. We have to move around with system, and we can measure the whole village in 2 days, maximum 2 days. So I will repeat again, it is a mammoth task. It is a field visit. You can't do this in sitting in a AC chamber. We have to share our blood, and we have done this. It is a unique kind of project. It cannot be seen anywhere else. Thank you, sir.
This document which you are doing, ROR, got it right, is the revised one. Is it a legal document, properly legally signed, basically signed by some officer?
Sir, I am the contact.
Duly accepted by the legal machinery?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are 18 kind of forms. There are so many revenue officers. There are 18 kind of forms. We are to be maintained by the revenue officers. The unique feature of this promulgation, research promulgation, normally it's the form number 7 and the form number 12. This is the combined form. Form number 7 reflects the name of the holder, and form number 12 reflects the detail of cultivation, what you have cultivated. After the promulgation, we have bifurcated this all 2 forms. What is the advantage? There are certain litigations. There are many litigations regarding the possession and cultivation. You might be in knowledge of the Agriculture Tenancy Act, which is very
Let me restrict my question just to this.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Legally acceptable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
After the measurement, sir. After the measurement. Yes, sir. When it is promulgated, it is a certified letter.
What are the projects that you have done in butter, which is in alignment of the national program? What is that?
So number of districts from other states like Maharashtra, there are the revenue secretaries, Maharashtra IT secretaries, Maharashtra to study the project. And we do it. Sir, our researcher we have actual map as well as graphical is on the same. This is not kind of thing. As per the objective analysis we have.
So we reduce the litigation and save time and litigation time of the people. It is not really a difficult task to convince the 3 lakh farmers. We have the
Sir,
yes.
hospital is how get it to this land boundary.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, as a question.
I'm going back to the GTS.
Yes, sir.
You used on that measurement.
Difference in global positioning system.
Right. So what I'm trying to understand is, did you develop some kind of software for this?
Yes, sir. In connection with
How was it
NIC.
implemented in NIC?
NIC and
There
DILR.
are live data.
Yes.
NIC, this is a site developed by NIC. Same site used for propagation.
We'll have to get on the second project.
Yeah.